So coming on to our next part, which is preparation. And yes, friends, this is the most important part because preparation के बिना कुछ भी नहीं होता है. And yes, interviews require definite amount of preparation. So starting off first is knowing about yourself. सबसे पहला खुद को जानना जरूरी है. कंपनीज ये सवाल बहुत बार पूछती हैं कि आप अपने बारे में बताइए, आप खुद कुछ के बारे में कुछ बताइए. सो इस क्वेश्चन को बहुत ही आसान तरीके से हमें डील करना है. वी हैव टू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल देम व्हाट इज आवर बैकग्राउंड. Second of all, we have to tell them that what is our education, from where we have studied, what all things we have, what are our hobbies, and the fourth most important thing which we have to tell is about our articleship, what experiences we had in our articleship. तो इससे हमारा दो चीज़ें कवर हो जाती हैं. एक अबाउट योर सेल्फ वाला पार्ट भी कवर हो जाता है जिसमें हमने अपना फैमिली बैकग्राउंड, अपने पेरेंट्स के बारे में बताया, अपने एजुकेशन के बारे में बताया. और फिर दूसरा हमारी आर्टिकलशिप, जिसमें हमने बताया कि हमारा क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा है आर्टिकलशिप के वक्त. तीसरी मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज आती है strengths and weakness. So this is very much important and companies do ask it. So you need to be thorough with at least five of your good strengths, five strengths which actually defines you, and strength should be which company के लिए फायदेमंद हो. स्ट्रेंथ ये नहीं होती है कि आप इतने सारे बलशाली हो. स्ट्रेंथ ये नहीं होनी चाहिए कि आप इतना टाइम बैठ के फेसबुक चला सकते हो. नथिंग. स्ट्रेंथ शुड बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक टू द पॉइंट विच इज हेल्पफुल फॉर द कंपनी. Strengths like honesty, strengths like integrity, and strengths like time management, ये बहुत अच्छी strengths होती हैं जो हमें वक्त दर वक्त यूज भी होती है, प्लस हमारी कंपनी को बहुत ज़रूरी है इन strengths की. एंड अब ट्रिकी पार्ट आता है वीकनेस का. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, weakness is a thing which we have to be very much be careful about. We cannot say weaknesses which are actually very much detrimental for the company. Detrimental से मेरा मतलब है जो कंपनी के लिए पूरी नुकसानदायक हो. If dishonesty is one of your weakness, if lying is one of your weakness, you cannot say it. You cannot say it. You have to say that yes, you you can say some of the weaknesses like I am over possessive about my things, or I overdo some things, or I'm more of a perfectionist. ये सारी weaknesses लगता है कि हाँ actually एक पूरी तरह से weakness भी नहीं है, but कुछ situations में हो सकती है. And still every weakness, after every weakness you have to tell them that yes, this is the weakness on which you are working on, you are improving on. This is very much important. It shouldn't be like that if there is a weakness, you are letting it remain as a weakness. You're working on it. Then the fourth most important question is why should they hire you? So here you should be ready with the plan. Why should they hire you? Here you can again tell about your high strengths, कंपनी की स्ट्रेंथ्स और आपकी स्ट्रेंथ्स कैसे मिलती है. आप कंपनी में जब आएंगे तो आप क्या लेके आएंगे जो बाकी कैंडिडेट्स नहीं ला सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द प्योरली मार्केटिंग क्वेश्चन which you have to tell to the students, sorry, to the interviewer. And the last final important thing is the company. See, this is the important part where you have to understand about the company. कंपनी की वेबसाइट पे जाइए, अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द कंपनी कि कंपनी ने क्या किया हुआ है, क्या उसके स्टॉक्स चल रहे हैं, कैसा उसका मार्केट बैलेंस शीट है, क्या कंपनी ने किया है पिछले साल जो जीएसटी की वजह से उस पर क्या इम्पैक्ट आया है. सो इंक्लूडिंग योर टेक्निकल नॉलेज विच यू हैड अप टिल नाउ बीइंग अ सीए, तो वो टेक्निकल नॉलेज कंपनी को कैसे इफेक्ट करती है, एंड यू शुड बी वेरी मच थरो विद इट. And this is the maximum amount of homework you should have done about the company. So उसके सारी बैलेंस शीट्स, उसकी करंट अकाउंट स्टेटमेंट्स, उसके जीएसटी प्रोफाइल्स, उसके इन्वेस्टर रिलेशंस का पेज, इन सब चीज़ों को ध्यान से जाके देखिए बिफोर सिटिंग फॉर द कंपनी. And the last and the most important thing is dressing up. Always have a very formal dress up, nothing to compromise on the dressing. Second, dressing should be clean and tidy. And the last most important thing is the hairs. Men should have well groomed hairs, women should also have well groomed hairs. Hair shouldn't be running haywire. If you have some beard, men, trim it off or just shave it. Keep it anyway which looks tidy. It shouldn't be messy. And always remember, dressing is really very essential for the thing. So I would like to now end up this presentation by just saying, see, interviews will come, will go. What is most important is our learning attitude. I started this discussion by saying have the learning attitude and just maintain it. Even if there are interviews which are not going right with us now, just write them down what you think is not going right and just work on them. If there are things you want to discuss out with me, let me know in the comment boxes and any other sources through which you can do so. Just work, be very systematic, write down your strengths, write down everything, and you'll see just in a matter of days you'll get the dream job which you want. All the best, friends. Hare Krishna.